Okay guys, welcome to my new video. I'm Metrogen. Today I'm going to do the second part of the tutorial. Now, okay, so what we did last time was just set up the surrounding of, the regular walls. We get the walls there. Then we get the floor. I've added ground tags. I should set this. Okay, I have not done that yet, but game controller, and we got these as the walls, which I did not tag them as that. But yeah. One thing I'm gonna try to do is add tag, and yeah, never mind about that. But guys, okay, what I've done in advance, just to shorten it a little bit, is I have added something. I've added a script that will allow you to run back and forth. I don't know if I've showed this in the last video. If I did, I'm sorry. But about the jumping, you can only jump once. See the problem there? Okay, you hit the ground, jump once, can't jump again. Now, it's always on can jump right there. Watch that. Watch this right here. Once jump, go down, then it's not like that. Now, if you can figure out what is wrong with this, I will give you guys a tutorial on how to get Unity Pro for free. Okay? Illegally, but still. Yes, I will give you that tutorial, and you will like it. You will, I promise you. But yeah. Whoever does it, I will also give you a shout out in the next video, and possibly a surprise prize. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but let's find out, shall we? So anyways, I'm going to show you the script. Okay? And a lot of times, I won't even make the variables. First, I will do them when I will actually do the variables when I need the variables. I don't have the whole thing planned out. I just do what I do and see what happens. So here's the variables. Again, I do not do it at first. I just start putting things in. If I need a variable, I will add a variable. That's what var means, variable. Okay? This is the variable name. So I'm going to put this up here. // Wait, okay. Var variable. Okay, I spelled that wrong. But you guys know what variable means, right? Okay. Now, I was gonna put it over here. This is gonna be a name, and then we're gonna put type of variable, then equals, and then a lot of times it doesn't even need equals, but if you're doing something like Boolean, hold on, wait, put this. Hold on, sorry. It's like 3 in the morning and I can't think. Okay, so you got that, right? This is the name. You know what var means. You got name. You got this little thing right here. You got the type. You got if you need to add it, like right here I didn't add it. Right here. But yeah, you got that done. Okay. Now we're going to have to make a function update. I mean, it's just updating the function, basically. Not literally installing it again, but it is taking the function and updating it with new code, with new data that it's getting put in, of the position. So, if we're making an if statement, not if else, just if, and then input, dot. That means it's a API input, API get key. See that? It's calling the key, and then key code API D. You got that? Okay. Open bracket. Transform dot position. By the way, guys, if you want to skip this, go ahead. Probably somewhere. I'll be somewhere down here when I'm done. Plus equals vector 3 dot right, or API right, star speed star time API delta time. Got that? Okay. Close the bracket and semicolon. And then you basically do the same thing down here. And until we get to this, and you just add this right here. This dot rigid body, this API rigid body 2D API, and this is probably not API. It's probably saying that completely wrong. But velocity dot y. This is the y-axis. Plus equals 5.1 or 5.5 semicolon. And this is just saying you're done with this. You're done with this line of code. But yeah. I forget to put a semicolon right there. Always have to put a semicolon. A lot of times you will get errors. You got that? Same thing right here. But basically it's just taking another key, and space is already added into this input thing, which I will not go through today. Function, it's calling a function, or it could also be making a new function. On collision enter 2D. Other, by the way, this is a 2D, it's not 3D. 3D would just be the on collision enter. Other, collision 2D, open bracket, if, calling if statement, other dot tag, or other dot transform tag dot tag. By the way, this whole thing right here, that's for jumping. That's just for jumping. Okay? Then this, it would equal ground. Can jump, which is the variable, remember that. And speed is a variable. Float 10, so it's set to 10. And float means like a little bar that you can move back and forth on the inspector side, which would be over here. And then character A, character B. You don't even need these. I just have them in there for a different project I was using. Sorry if you could not hear me that well. Cam A, can't say anything today. Cam A, Cam B, still don't even need those. Those are useless, so you can delete those. But yeah, just save it. That's it. Close it, and we're done. I guess we just have to stop at 8:45. Now what you do is you just click on the player, move the movement script onto it, but I already have it, so I'm just gonna click this little toolbar, then click remove component. Also, if you want to add components, you also can go down to components and go to the scripts where your actual scripts are, like whatever folder you had the script in, and then you just click the player, then you add to a component. But also, if you want to add like a game object, you know what I mean? Create other. These are just defaults, not the things you actually imported into it. But most of those are for 3D, I think. Yeah. Okay. So far, we have not fixed the jumping glitch. Which, yes, it is a glitch. Congratulations, guys! You got your first glitch. That's job well done. We get the pedal bear. What else are we gonna have to do, huh? Well, here's a few tips when you're going to program. You are going to want to go and Google. I'm not going to show my search results because porn. So just like if you need to find a way to, like, usually a lot of times I like to take parts out of different scripts and add them together. Like, and sometimes you just like to steal complete scripts, which I know sounds pretty horrible, but that's true. Okay, how to make, or actually you don't even have to type in that. You just have to. What we're gonna do is disable the mouse. So just disable mouse, then Unity. How can I disable mouse cursor? Unity answers. I like to go on the Unity answers because there's a lot of good ones, but you gotta watch out because some of them are also in C#. Here's some documents. Show cursor, lock cursor. You can also lock the cursor and show the cursor. Shows or hides, and lock cursor. It's a cursor from leaving the window. See? Now we're gonna need both of those. So lock cursor. Let's X out of that. Let's go to screen, show cursor. I will try to put this in the description. If I don't, I'm sorry. I'll try to find it again. If I don't put it up ever, just Google it. It's that easy. Just Google it. Just Google it, man. Google's your friend. So, hide cursor. So, and I would not add this yet, okay? So JavaScript. I don't even know if I spelled that right. Who cares? Did I? No, I did not. I suck. Either way, I will fix that. But just copy and paste that. It's easy, right? Okay. So if don't copy and paste that yet. So if we don't even need the if statement, we just have to copy and paste that. And the next one, just yep, you guessed it, copy and paste. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, I guess you could say. I'm completely right. Always right. I am God. So debug.log, and that will show up in the console under hold on, what's this? What's this? I'm guessing this is debug, and I think this is the warnings and this is the errors. I'm pretty sure that's correct, but who cares? We are going to need this. So this is just creating a whole nude, not nude. So what we're gonna do is screen, lock cursor, true. And right, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, we got that. And we're not gonna use that yet, because that's just raw and it's gonna mess up. So if get key escape. So if get key escape, that's good. Lock cursor is going to be false. And then show cursor shall be true. It's just the basics of doing the same thing, but what you're going to do is else. And I forgot, I always forget this. Okay, guys, I'm horrible at this sometimes. Close the brackets. Always, I never even open brackets. Great. Open brackets. There we go. Open the bracket. Open another bracket right here. I like tab. It just keeps everything organized. True. And then let's go ahead and type this so we can learn a little bit today. Show cursor equals false. Easy enough, right? Save. See if there's any errors. Any error? Oh, first error. There's not first error. I've had a lot of errors today, so okay, it's easy enough. 11:34. Where is that? 11. Oh, I see it. Save. We corrected one. Clear. We got this. Okay. 12:1. Expect. Oh, I see where it's messing up. It was expecting one of these, and I never gave it to it. So one of the D got the D. Okay, there we go. Now what we do is we take the cursor script and just add it to our little buddy right here. Easy enough. See? You can't see the cursor. You can see the cursor. But yeah, it's kind of glitchy. So yeah. Next tutorial I will fix that. I will fix that next tutorial. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.